Is BTCSurveys legit and a great place to take surveys to earn Bitcoin as it claims here on the website, or is it a scam you should stay away from? My name is Michael from paidfromsurveys.com, and I have joined to test this platform myself, and in this BTCSurveys review I will give you an inside look and show you all the details so you can find out if it is the right option for you or not. If this is your first time here, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time I release a video with tips and tricks about how to get the most out of paid surveys, get paid to sites, and other ways to earn some extra cash on the side online. I have now logged into BTCSurveys, and one thing I like about it is that it is quite easy to get started and find your way around, but I will also say this is not a service site for everyone, and I will go over why that is so you can find out if it's a good option for you or not. But before showing you around inside the platform, I also just want to mention that if you like taking surveys on the go, and if you find out that you want to join BTCSurveys, they do have an app. So that can definitely be worth considering if you decide to join, because that just makes it very convenient to get access to the surveys. Let's now go over the surveys you can then find in here, because they have quite a few, but they work together with external partners or third-party partners, survey providers. So it is more like a survey router. So you click here, you go to an external site and you take the survey there, and then you come back here and you get the earnings into your BTCSurveys account. It has a decent number of surveys, as you can see, but that does depend on the country you live in. You can join from more or less all countries, but you will not have the same number of available surveys in all countries. And sometimes it can also take quite a bit of patience to find the service you qualify for. But I like that they make it very clear how much you get, or in one sense they make it clear because you get paid in these satoshis, and that is the smallest unit of a Bitcoin. So you kind of have to calculate, and how much it is also worth depends on the current rate of Bitcoin. But BTCSurveys do make it a little bit easier because they show your Bitcoin balance here, and they also show what the value would be in dollars if you decided to exchange it at this current moment. There is one more way you can earn on BTCSurveys, and you can find that over here in the menu called referrals, and that means that you can share an invite link with friends, and if they join and end up taking surveys, you will earn 10% of whatever they earn for the rest of the time they are a member here. It will not be taken from them, they will earn the same, but you will get a 10% commission from BTCSurveys to thank you for inviting someone else. If you have a lot of friends that are really interested in taking surveys and earning Bitcoins, yes, then it can be a way to earn a little bit extra passively, but 10% is not the highest compared to the referral programs you can find on many other service sites. But it still can be nice if you test it and find out that you really think it is worth recommending, because only recommend it to others if you think it is really worth using. If you invite other people and they do not become active or they do not like it, you will not earn anyways, and you will also just piss them off by having recommended something that is not worth recommending. So let's now go over how you can then get your earnings from BTCSurveys out, because this is very important to know to find out if it really is a site worth it for you. And as the name of the site itself suggests, you can only get paid in Bitcoin. So you need a Bitcoin wallet, and you need to actually be interested in earning Bitcoin. If you are, then this rewards will be great for you. Just be aware that you need to withdraw a minimum of 0.001 Bitcoin. I believe at the moment of recording this review that has a value of around $10. So the payout threshold is not too high, but it is also not super low. There definitely are service sites that pay faster. If you do not want to earn Bitcoins but would like to earn by taking surveys and get paid in cash, for example through PayPal, then this is not the site you should join. Then there are a lot of other sites that will give better opportunities for you. Overall, BTCSurveys is a legit service site. You can earn Bitcoin by taking surveys here. It has a decent number of surveys, but sometimes it can take some patience to find the ones you qualify for, and the rewards are not that impressive. There definitely are service sites with higher rewards, but that also depends on the current rate of the Bitcoin, so you just need to keep an eye on that as well. I think it can be a decent service site to join if you're interested in taking surveys to earn Bitcoin, But the main thing to consider here is also if you would like to earn Bitcoin. If you do not, or if you would like the flexibility to choose other rewards, this is definitely not the site for you. But if you want to know even more details about BTCSurveys, or if you want to see a list of sites that offer other payout methods or also offer a little bit higher rewards or more surveys, then I have all that information on my website, paidfromservice.com, and I will leave a link below this video here. So make sure to check that out. And also make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time I release a video with tips and tricks about how to get the most out of paid service sites, get paid to sites, and other ways to earn some extra cash on the side online.